Hello, it's Jialing. Today I'm going to Sanjiaodu Ferry to paint the boat in Taipei City. Hello, I am finally here, the Fisherman Wharf in Taipei City. I walked like 20 minutes and I've never been here. Wow. Decided in the city we have the harbor and see the dragon boat there. During the dragon festival we will have the competition. Not this year we don't have because the epidemic. So okay, I will paint here. Hope I'm doing good. Okay, see you later. It's my first layer. I start from the sky using the yellow ochre with the leftover and adding some copper blue. Now I'm adding some yellow green for the trees, the grass. Now I'm adding some gray color, just indicate the background buildings, house. And I begin to paint the water. I paint around the boat using pretty pale blue. And keep going, painting down, using ultramarine, copper blue, and when I hit my foreground, the boat, I use burnt sienna and burnt sienna and burnt umber. Just give it a warm tone. And now I add some green. Because I see the water, I feel it's a bit greeny. And when it's still wet, I using synthetic brush and adding the shadow, the darker place under the boat. And now I begin my second wash. Because the weather is very hot, the paint, the paper dry out very fast, so I can continue to paint. No need to wait it dry. And my tree is pretty freehandly, and that's the way I paint the tree and grass. My second wash is the area that are my middle and dark tones. For the boat are their shadow sides, their vertical part. Now I paint my focal point, so I need to pay more attention of the shapes, the shadows, the details. Now I'm beginning to paint my favorite part of the water reflections, the ripples. I use very rich ultramarine blue with a bit green and burnt sienna. I think in a sunny day like this, I paint this a little bit too dark, a bit too strong. Now I'm painting my foreground people, the fishermen, and you can imagine it's a summer and almost noon, 12 o'clock. It's very hot and still working. Using the spray gun to wet the paper a bit and get a knife to try to regain some whiteness of the paper to make this space more interesting, the vertical lines. I paint many imaginary boat pose because I think it's important for the composition. I like it. painting is nearly finished when I'm using the titanium white to get back some losing whiteness. Now the painting is finished. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye bye.